Okay, part number one. It's got a hollow on both sides, round piece. It's got a notch in it, and center. Okay, this one is. I'll send these, but it's got the dimensions here. This actually has a smaller. This one's designed to slide, so it has a smaller outside diameter than the next part. Okay. So this notch is here. That notch is part ways, just like that. We got two cutouts there. Okay. There's the bigger cutout is on this side here. Smaller cutout on that side with all the dimensions. Okay, second part is here. This one's just flat on one side, hollowed out on the other side. A lot simpler, but it does have a notch in it. This one's a little thicker outside, slightly thicker outside diameter, 35 millimeter, and it's got this cutout, so it's got this notch here, 1 millimeter depth, about 3.75, and it's got that cutout there. Okay, also just notice on this inside diameter, I think there's actually manufacturing defect. You can see there's a little ridge here. It looks like it should be gone. I'm not really sure, but for that I said I think that should be 4 millimeter, but it's measuring 5 millimeter. I think that, so that's talking about this 5 millimeter here. I think that should probably be 4 millimeter. Okay, part number 3 is this one's a little bit more complicated, and it's actually broken here. Mine's broken across the top, so you've got to kind of see this, but laying it here, it has this, first it has this notch in it all the way down. It's actually open notch all the way down, you can see. And that's reflected right here, that notch. It's got this sort of rounded lip on it, all the way around. It's got an inner sheath, and then these outer pieces are designed to slide on the inside of the shock shaft. Okay, and then it has these little kind of braces here too, just to support. This one's actually, if you look here, it's a little thicker at the top, which I don't reflect in this. A little thicker at the top than it is down here, and these pieces are beveled just to insert, which I don't think you'd actually need. But okay, so here's the dimensions for all of that. This is 34 millimeters across here, because that's the sort of that's the diameter that slides inside the shaft. So that's 34 millimeters from this piece to this piece. The inside diameter is 30 millimeters of this entire thing, so this 30 millimeter inside diameter. This gap is about 3 millimeters. It's kind of hard to tell, 2.5 to 3 millimeter. 36.5 should be the outside diameter of this top piece here. that's it for that. And then you have this side view, which gets a little bit more complicated. So taking this piece here and then turning it here, you have this. I have this marked. These are actually rounded here, so that's rounded. Show the dimensions. That bevel was there. It's about 4 millimeter bevel, and this lip. The width of it's kind of hard. It varies from about 3.75 to 4 millimeters. Varies a lot, so it's worn. It is worn. I'll scan these drawings and upload them, but I'm not a draftsman, so thought I would explain it. Oh, and then part number 4, there's this rubber piece. It's made out of rubber, and that is 9 millimeter. Pretty simple piece. This one's broken actually, but pretty simple piece. It's just rubber, 9 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 59 millimeter length.